Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to dive into how to format your PC while still keeping your files or erase them all. First you need to do is to head to your Windows settings. Scroll down and click on Update and Security. Under Recovery, there is Reset this PC. It says if your PC is not running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them. Then you can click on Get Started. There is two options: keeping my files, remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. The second option is remove everything. Remove all your personal files, app and settings. Then you can choose one of the options. Here it asks, how would you like to reinstall Windows? Either cloud download or local reinstall. Choose your preferable one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.